my interest in front-end engineering? Well, I feel it's doing what I do. Okay, because to get started with what? It was because of a movie I saw, Ready Player One. So the moment I saw the movie, I saw a lot of technology, how they made use of tech and all of that. They used the VR box. I mean, it was so I was so intrigued by that. So since then, I've been on a quest to know tech. I've been on tech, and to answer the question, who? It was actually my brother. He's a 3D sculpture artist. He does he deals with animations and all of that. You get, so he has been the one. I've seen his work, and like I has been going. I was like, oh no, I have to know this. I have to learn this. So I think those two actually sparked my interest in software engineering. And how do I get started? How did I get started? Well, at first I started coding tech generally last year, early last year, and when I told my parents, okay, I sat them down, mom, dad, this is what I want. I was like, no, no, no. Actually, they wanted me to go for nursing. Yeah, so I told them, no, I am not doing nursing. I want to do tech. I want to venture into tech. Like, okay, they said, I am not serious, this or that. So I gave me a laptop and see if I was serious. They said, no. Yeah. So literally, I started coding with my phone, HTML, CSS. I got my first laptop myself. That was like dual. It was very, very. It lacks a lot. It lacks a lot, but then I still keep on pushing. So one day, so I got my laptop myself. They said, okay, this boy is serious. So they enrolled me to a bootcamp, an institute, Esquire College of ICT. So that's where I learned my basics of programming generally. So what programming language am I appreciating? I feel it's JavaScript. I'm a JavaScript developer. Though I know a bit of C sharp, but I learned C sharp. Uh, in short, I'm a JavaScript developer. So which one is my favorite? Well, different JavaScript is my favorite. It's just my favorite. And why? And that's because JavaScript is like you can do multiple things with JavaScript. We're talking about for app development, React Native, that's JavaScript. We are talking about web development, that's React, Vue, Angular. We are talking about desktop icons, desktop apps, that's like desktop apps. We have a lot, we can do multiple things, and I do, yeah, JavaScript. So how do I stay up to date with technologies and current technologies? Well, I feel number one, I attend tech conferences a lot. I attend tech conferences a lot, and that's how. And also, I do research. I go online, check in my leisure time. I just go online, surf the internet, just search about what I do and everything. Like I get to see the latest technology, latest tech tech trends. Yeah, latest tech trends that is going on. I mean, and I go to like GitHub also. In the explore part, I get to explore those those trending things, those trending tech things. I think that's how I stay up to date with content. So, have I worked with a team of several developers? Yeah, I have. Yes, I am. I'm currently working with one right now. Yes, I have. And what will be a front-end developer? I'm working as a front-end engineer, and also I've been a front-end lead, front-end engineer lead. I've been a lead before. Yeah, and what have I learned from that? Yeah, I've learned to always listen to other developer opinion. I've learned to also collaborate with other people. To um, I've learned to collaborate. I've learned to listen. Yes, I'm there to miss you. So what challenging project have I done? Yeah, I feel the overall one is a dog racing game that I did with JavaScript. I feel it was that time it was very, very hard. That was because it was my first time using PHP, that's object oriented programming language, to write the game. It was very, very hard. I had to do a lot of research, a lot of edits, And when I was done, me thinking, I've done something good. I gave it out to some people to check. They were like, what did you do? This is literally rubbish. At first, I felt very bad. I felt very bad. I said I wasn't going to touch it again. But later on, I realized and I was like, I need to do this. I need to do this. So I went back to my coach, drew it all over again. What they said, how they criticized it, what they said, actually fixed it, and all of that. Though it took a lot of time, but at last I fixed it. So the same set of people I gave to, I told about it. Hey, how's the update? I've done an update on the check. And I'm like, wow, this is good. This is great. So I feel to all developers here, I feel you should actually just be open to criticization. People criticize you, and I feel that's fine. That's okay. Yeah. So, what's my long time career goal? Hmm. Yeah, I want to be an XR developer. When I talk about XR, that involves the VR, virtual reality, the AR, augmented reality, the mixed reality. Yeah, I want to be an extended reality developer, and that's because of art. When I tell people this art, people think this guy is insane, and I feel yeah, because that's where the world is going to right now. People don't longer actually want stress anymore. I myself, I don't like stress. You get so creating a world whereby people just have to sit down in their house and be at their office at the same time instead of pressing the computer, having a reality that they are in the office but whereas they are at home. You get it will solve the problem of the remote workers for companies that they don't want like their what will I call it? Their workers are working remotely. There's no point of contact. They could actually use the VR to get to the office, whereas they are at home. They'll have the feeling that yes, they are not working remotely. So, how does the future want? How do I want it to be? That's a tough question here. Well, I want to build a world apart from this physical world. A world whereby we could actually eat there. A world whereby there will be stress. A free world. A world whereby the world with technology apart from the physical world. That's a virtual world whereby people could enjoy themselves there. Yeah, I think that.